Fonte da Inveja, Milongo girls, Travessa do Túnel, and haunted. Streets into the mountain, through Guia, streets of Macau, Rua de Fonte da Inveja. Walking down Rua de Fonte da Inveja. Walking around Travessa do Túnel. Rua de Fonte da Inveja. Travessa do Túnel.
Okay, so right there is the Guia Hill pedestrian tunnel. So we'll just give you some context. There's a driving tunnel here and then a walking tunnel you can go under. And then it goes over to the ferry terminal and stuff like that. There's Flora Garden, which is nearby. And we're also going to be walking parallel to this street. And I believe this one is called the Travessa do Túnel. So you can see tunnel right there. And then we're right next to Flora Park. So there's actually an entrance in here. So maybe I'll but anyways, I'll put it up on the map, and you can also see this too. You can see this is, I think, one of the shortest cable cars that goes up to the top right there. Anyways, Guia Hill is right up above us. So let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay. So I believe this street is called the Tunnel Street. So let me just kind of walk in here real quick. So yep, that's Flora Garden right there. So there's you can take this cable car and get all the way up to the top, and then this all the way around here, you can see it all the way up to the top over here too. You can go all the way to Guia Lighthouse. So and then this one they built it, I think they opened it up maybe just a few years ago, maybe during COVID. And then this way you can go under through the rocks and just go directly under the whole tunnel in this area. Let me just check out this map real quick. So there's the tunnel right there, and then now you can see it right here. So it says the Plaza of the North Tunnel, and then it goes all the way down over here. And then so the ocean is over that way, the outer harbor where the ferry terminal is at. So that's basically the context of it. And I was looking at the map. I think this is called Tunnel Travessa, the tunnel, but I don't see any reference to it. But this also has a street over here, and then this is where the cars go through the tunnel. So maybe what we'll do is we'll just walk that direction. Oops, looks like there's a gate there. But that would be our parallel street. And then that is kind of interesting, that pink pastel. I don't know the whole story with that one. But I think those are government buildings now. And just to give you some context, directly that way would be where Zhuhai, China would be, going north. And then south would be everything down that way. And so yeah, these might be government buildings that were built along the mountain there. So that's Guia Hill. So you get some better context of that whole hill up there. And there's hiking trails, you can walk around it. There's exercise things. There's quite a bit going on there. And yeah, that's all Flora Garden. There's some animals in there. And then over on this side, there's actually a school. I think it's basketball. Yeah, some basketball courts. So we're gonna come all the way down to the main street, and we'll just kind of give you some context to this this tunnel and where it leads to. So it basically connects two different neighborhoods that were kind of difficult to get from one to the other before, at least walking wise anyways. So that's and then this one right here, this is for cars, so cars can come through here and they can go through a tunnel here, and I think they can also there's something over there too. Huh, there's actually, it looks like a pedestrian spot right there. I haven't okay, so we're going to, you can see some of those buildings up there as well. So this is the parallel street that goes all the way up into those hills. Let me just kind of walk all the way down. I might try to give some context by walking over there as well, and then I'll combine the Travessa tunnel and then that street that's parallel, and we'll give you some more context. This one right here is called it's kind of a main street. It's quite long. It takes about 20 minutes to walk all the way down this street. It's kind of a north-south street, and I'll give you some context to that one shortly as well, and I'll also give you some image of what it looks like. I'll even capture the street sign. So yeah, that goes through, the cars go through the Guia Hill. That's the side street right there. Those are kind of some cool, super cool balconies right there. And then we're gonna actually walk down this way, and we're gonna walk down this way, and then we're gonna walk up a tiny little bit, and then down this way is the tunnel directly into Guia Hill. So we're gonna try to get over that way in a moment. And then this is the neighboring street. So let me give you some context to this whole area. Actually right over there is Sun Yat-sen's old home. So there's an interesting story about that. But Sun Yat-sen is really very famous in Macau and throughout China, and especially in this area. One of the founders of the modern China, his thought and philosophy. But anyways, his home is there, and then that's when he left it to his wife. And I think the wife still haunts it today or something. I don't know, I don't remember all that story, but anyways, I know that is his old house, and it was his spouse who spent most of her life, her older years there, I believe, if I remember that right. Sometimes I'm not 100% accurate, so I try to make it a little bit vague, but that is his former house. And this street is going to end shortly. I think I can still take that sidewalk, but it does go up to the tunnel. So I'm going to try to give some pretty cool looking street right there. I'm going to walk up a little bit further and to see how far I can get. I think these are just government building, I think. But yeah, that's Guia Hill straight ahead. And that's our tunnel, the walking tunnel, as well as the car driving tunnel. So I'll give you some more context of Macau. And I don't think we're going to get much further than here. Fire assembly point. So anyways, you can kind of get some context of everything. Tunnel, some kind of interesting architecture right there, right? Okay, tuberculosis. I think that's right. I think this used to be like some kind of tuberculosis treatment center of some kind, something like that. So anyways, so now you get to see this little tunnel. You get to see the walking one as well as the driving one. I'll give you some context. There's some kind of interesting architecture right there, and then all of these kind of interesting architecture all the way down as well. I think you can actually maybe sit over there. Anyways, pretty cool. But yeah, there's like a little thing up there. Looks quite interesting. But anyways, that's not the scope for this particular video, but I do want to capture this beauty that's right on our Target Street. And then that's that little thing that goes across like that. And then we'll just move down, and then I'm going to come to an end. And I'll end right there. Here you go. Look out.